Hey, what's going on here? We're in Berwyn doing a sewer main fix on a house. Sewer busted, the main or whatever it was from the garage out to the alley, where it connects to the main sewer in the alley. So we're actually doing the excavation today of everything, so all the gravel and soil and all that, and replace all the piping and do a lot of backfill with all gravel and concrete work. So a lot going on here, working with our uncle, or my wife's uncle, Pat, with his company to tag up on this job and do it together as a team here with my guys and his guys. Here's what's going on. So you can see we, by the garage here, we cut the concrete. 6 inches full of concrete. We're digging down, getting all the soil out of here, probably about 5 feet deep. You can see it's with Everready flood control. Hey, what's going on, Greg? Thanks for watching here. Digging down. Hey, how are you?
How you doing?
What happened?
You look like you're from Berwyn.
Concrete saw.
The village? The city?
Another truck.
Oh, okay, great. What we're
Whatever. Now the village guy came out, so we gotta talk to the village guy. Thanks for watching. More later.